Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia, for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So I'm starting out on my YouTube main page. I know you see the title. Today I'm going to show you how to change the font on your Shopify store when you're building your theme. So we're starting out on my YouTube page because there is one video that I made in my playlist, Shopify Tutorials for Beginners. And I'm going to show you the video. So this video titled How to Change the Background Color of Your Shopify Store received a ton of views. And it was one of the comments in this video that is prompting me to make this next video for you. So this video that I made showing you how to change the background color was one of the first videos that I made, but I do have a playlist of more videos to help you with your Shopify store when you're building your store. So if you want to see more videos, come over here into the playlist that's titled Shopify Tutorials for Beginners, and you'll see more videos having to do with how to change the background color. Uh, um all right, so let's get into this tutorial for today. So before we do that, let me take you back to the main page. While that is happening, we could come over and do the tutorial for today. So the question is, how do I change the font on my Shopify store? The way you do it, you log into your the back office of your Shopify store. I've already done that. And then you would let me go back one page, I believe. Okay, no, when you log into the back office of your Shopify store, you would come all the way down where it says sales channels, and you will click on the little home, that little icon that look like a house. You will click on that. It will then take you into your themes. That's going to be highlighted automatically. You're going to go into your themes. I, for one, I'm using the Brooklyn theme. I'm happy with it. There's other free themes that Shopify offers. It's up to you if you want to take them, or you could purchase others. So what you do from here, you click on customize, depending on which theme you're using. Okay, you click on customize. It will load up the page. You would come over here to the left and scroll down a little bit. Then you see where it says theme, and then I'm using a Brooklyn theme like I told you. We're going to click on theme settings. Just click on the little arrow next to theme settings, and it's going to take you into another page. If you remember when I showed you how to change the background colors, if you were doing that, you would come into the one that says colors, and then from here you would change your colors, so on and so forth. But we're not doing that. We want to change the font. So right below that is another tab labeled typography. You would go on and you would click on the arrow on that tab right there, and then it will load up just um standard lettering. So if you want to change it, you will click on change right below. And if you have a particular font that you want to use, people usually have their own. If not, there's a lot of fonts in here. To find out, just scroll down. And if you don't see what you want on the first scroll, you click on load more. And then continue to scroll. Still don't see what you want. Again, load more. Continue to scroll. And you get the basic idea. Eventually, you will find something that you want. If you have a particular one that you have in mind that you want to use, you just type it in right up here in the search bar. For instance, I know one off the top of my head is ironically named after me, Georgia. So I type in that. Oh, Geo or GIA. And see, it brings up the one that I have in there called Georgia Pro. So that's if you have your font that you come to the platform with. If not, you would like I said, just scroll down until you find one that you usually that you would want to use, and then you would highlight it. I'm not going to go in and change it because I'm happy with what I have here. I'm just showing you the steps. So you would highlight the one that you want. the select button at the bottom will highlight, and you would click on that. And then from there, you have to go up to the upper right, and the save button will then be highlighted in green. And then you would click save, and that would change the font that you want it to. So that is how you change the font on your Shopify. That is how you change the font on your Shopify. I'm clicking all the way out. I just wanted to go back one page. Yes, so that is how you change the font on your Shopify theme. You click into the theme section, click on customize, and then scroll down to settings, click on settings, and you click on typography. You get the font that you want, and you take it from there. So I hope this video has been helpful. Give this video a like if it has been helpful to you. I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like the videos, and if you have any comments, put it below. If there's a video that I need to make, if I'm able to help you with it, just leave it in the comment section and I will try my best to help you. So thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.